How to turn on or turn off statue bar on Wattpad app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable statue bar on Wattpad easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Wattpad. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture right here. And here you will find your profile. Now go to the top corner again and click on this little icon in the top corner and choose the third option. Click on reading preferences and here you will find statue bar. You can enable it or disable it from here. It's very easy, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.